Hello, my name is Adrian, and I'm here to introduce you to the Medihub, a healthy medium by the Innovation Sensations. We are Mohammed, myself, Rama, Natalie, and Tucker. Starting from a place of compassion, we developed a user accessibility focused app interface, which aims to simplify the unique lives of the elderly by connecting them to their health and wellness. We began our discovery by interviewing elderly people in our lives to find out what traits are found in a helpful environment. The feedback generated from these interviews was important to our project going forward by guiding our discover phase and looking for functions that bring fulfillment into their lives. The insights gathered include the desire for safety, routine, health, nutrition, and learning, among others.
Our users' insights helped us define our opportunity statement, which was how to enhance the lives of our elderly without the use of technology. We were able to conduct more interviews and gather more insights to redefine our opportunity statement to how might we help the elderly become more socially stimulated with the use of technology, which had helped us create functions that satisfy our users' needs that we had grouped together.
The develop stage is really narrowed it down to what the user really needs. It all began with the Eldobot. It was a robot that got redesigned to the all-new Medihub. We had to test the project with multiple elders to see what their needs are and what could we change to help them in their daily routines. We had to figure out and plan what are some unique features we could use to differentiate our product from the rest. We added big text and used the correct size buttons and fonts to give a clear view to the elder. The elders would test help features such as the medical assistant along with the smart butler and kitchen help. From those tests, we were able to refine our functions even more.
And that's how we created the Medihub. The Medihub is a medium for organization, planning, routines, connection, and learning right at the comfort of your own home. It helps our users develop strong and healthy skills, and it helps them stay on track. Some of our specific functions in the Medihub were medical assistance. It tracks the medicine you need. You just have to say, Medi, I took my medicine at this time, and it will go ahead and put it for you. It also has a personal care function. It has your physician's information ready, and you could also make appointments. You could develop good habits such as cooking or exercising. We also developed a feature called Smart Butler, which is easily integratable into an established smart home. Some of them use the cleaning app or changing the thermostat. It also has a reminder app. It reminds you about your appointments, daily chores, and anything for your daily routine. Our Eldabot, the soul of Eldabot, still lives on within the Medihub.
And with that, I'm going to go ahead and run us through a quick demo of our prototype here, the Medihub. So the ease of use was of the utmost importance for us when we designed this. So you'll see as we go through this setup, it's quite easy and also large for our user to understand exactly what they need to input. This also can keep track of multiple people under one Medihub. By entering in all that information, you'll have a personalized dashboard with specific functions, and the 5 that we found most important right now was the medical assistant, smart butler, reminders, cooking, and wellness center. Just some specific things that you can do within each of these Natalie had mentioned. We have our personal care physician available, specific medications that we're taking, what time we've last taken them, some specific drug allergies, as well as appointments. That smart butler, as Natalie had mentioned, is going to help us keep control of our smart home. We can either keep track of waste, thermostat, the lights in the house, and also what's going on inside. It's nice to have reminders as well as a current calendar set up. This will keep updated with everything you let Medi know you need to have on file. Also, we like to help our elderly incorporate great and meaningful hobbies in their life. So something that we found through our interviews was important was helping them in the kitchen. So we're actually able to have saved recipes viewed in our Medihub, but we're gonna go ahead and start with ingredients that we had in our pantry, and it produces some recipes based on those. And then it does a great walkthrough, step-by-step of what you need to do to complete that recipe, as well as accompanying videos if need be. That last function we want to talk about here is the Wellness Center, which runs you through workouts and keeps you on track. Even if you were to forget something specific, you can even kind of view and get an example of what that exercise is. Again, keeping you on track, helping us create better hobbies and habits for our elderly. Again, that's our Medihub. We had a great time through the DI process, innovating and producing this prototype for y'all to see. Again, this is the Innovation Sensations, and we'd like to thank our mentor, Dan Greiner.